Think you're brave? Let's meet the most dangerous snakes on the planet. Number 1, the inland taipan. One bite and 100 people could die. The most venomous snake on Earth, but luckily it's shy. Black mamba. Fast, furious, and deadly. This African assassin can kill in 20 minutes flat. The king cobra. It doesn't just bite, it warns. The longest venomous snake, and it can stare you in the eyes. Russell's viper. Found in India. Looks calm, until it strikes. Causes more human deaths than most. The boomslang. One bite and you'll bleed from everywhere. And the scary part? You won't even feel it. At first. These aren't just snakes. They're silent killers. So, which one gave you chills?